This is AI Network News, baby.
From the world's largest tech stagers to behind-the-scenes code commits, the AI revolution isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. And this week, we've crossed another threshold. As of May 20th, the global AI race has entered a new phase, led by some familiar giants, Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. But this isn't just about competition. It's about transformation. At Google, I/O 2025, the search engine we thought we knew was reborn. Enter AI Mode, a conversational search experience that doesn't just index the web, it understands you. The result? A 12% drop in Reddit stock as fears of traffic redirection ripple across the internet. Meanwhile, Microsoft took the wraps off a new breed of AI agents, autonomous, semantic, and ready to handle workflows across platforms. Think agents that don't just assist, but act. Enterprise-grade autonomy is no longer theoretical. OpenAI is making waves too. The integration of Codex into ChatGPT means that code now writes itself, debugs, tests, and improves at a pace 25% faster than traditional workflows. For developers, it's a game changer. But it's not just about big names. Funding is flooding in. Stability AI secured a $100 million boost, fueling next-gen model development. And Meta AI is keeping pace, unveiling a new NLP model that takes language generation to the next level, rivaling the likes of Gemini, which now sees 300 million monthly hits. On the climate front, Climate AI introduced a model that enhances weather predictions with unprecedented precision. The implications for climate resilience? Profound. And from XAI, we saw a model focused on interacting with the physical world, stepping closer to the long-promised fusion of AI and robotics. But with great power comes new friction. On May 20th, SAG-AFTRA filed a landmark complaint against Epic Games, alleging the unauthorized AI replication of Darth Vader's voice in Fortnite. The fight for creative rights is no longer theoretical. It's here, it's heated, and it's personal. And if you thought AI was just persuasive, think again. A new MIT study shows that AI chatbots outperformed humans in fundraising by 23%. Empathy prompts were the secret weapon. Persuasion, manipulation, where do we draw the line? All this unfolds against a backdrop of global conferences and regulatory anticipation. In Osaka, AI researchers gathered to debate explainability and deep learning frontiers. And back online, at Data Science Dojo and at Alpaca Network AI, are sounding alarms and celebrating breakthroughs in generative search, safer autonomous agents, and AI in healthcare. So what does it all mean? It means we're no longer imagining the future of AI. We're living in it. One where search isn't static, it's responsive, where agents don't wait for commands, they predict them, where climate models save lives, and where creativity, once thought untouchable, now shares its canvas with machines. This week wasn't just a leap in progress. It was a signal, a surge that the AI age has matured, and it's reshaping the foundations of how we work, search, speak, and even create. Stay tuned, because the next breakthrough, it's not years away. It's already underway.